Palantir stock is down about 15% after they have announced their Q2 2022 results. They met the revenue target, but they missed the earnings per share estimate. The street was expecting a 3-cent earning, but they reported a negative 1-cent earning, so which is a big miss. They grew their revenue at about 26%, but their long-term target is 30% growth on an average until 2025, right? So they have to accelerate their revenue growth in the coming quarters to meet that 30% average. In the third quarter, they're expecting $475 million of revenue, and for the whole year of 2022, they are expecting to make about $1.9 billion of revenue. So if I want to buy this stock at this point, I need to know what my reward would be in 2026 if I follow the CEO's estimates. The CEO Alex Karp is saying that the company would grow its revenue by 30% in the coming 4 years, but at this point, it looks like he went back on the claim, but I'm going to assume the same 30% growth in the next few years because I know that Palantir has a good product and it is a sticky business. It's just that the revenue growth potential has been uncertain. So if I assume 30% revenue growth in the next 5 years, they would make about $5.4 billion of revenue in 2026. Palantir has excellent gross margins of 80%, so they can definitely make a net profit margin of 30%. So if I assume a 30% net profit margin, they will make about $1.6 billion of net income. For a company that's growing in the 30% range and has a net profit margin of 30%, I can comfortably assign a 25 multiple. So with a multiple of 25, this company would be worth about $40 billion. Currently, the market cap is about $20 billion, right? So that may look like a 2x, but it's not, because this company is famous for its stock dilution. Currently, they have about 2 billion outstanding shares, but I'm going to assume at least 5% dilution year on year. So that will make about 2.4 billion outstanding shares in 2026. So when I calculate the stock price, it would be about $17 in 2026 with optimistic growth targets. So the stock is about $10 now, right? So that's about 70% gain in 5 years with optimistic assumptions. So I have a lot better investments like Amazon, Google, and a lot of other growth stocks like SoFi, which is growing at 50% or more, right? So at the moment, I do not see any reason to put money in Palantir, but I'm going to follow this company in the next few quarters to see if they can accelerate their revenue growth or do something that can contribute to multiple expansion. So at the moment, I'm going to stay away from Palantir.